Hey guys, it's Adam from the Wilderness Perspective, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a pair of Simmons Prosport 1050 field of view 341 feet that has the lens wobble up here. So as you can look right through here, there's a space whenever I move it here, and there's not supposed to be any space at all. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. All you need is a razor blade and a Phillips screwdriver. If you don't have a Phillips screwdriver and you're out in the field and you need to repair it while you're in the field, you can also use a multi-tool like this one. So to fix it, you're going to have to take off this little spot right here. Razor blade does this the best. You'll stick it right in between. You move it so you can see it, and it'll pop right off. When you look down in there, there's the Phillips screw. All you have to do is screw it back in. Tighten it up pretty snug there. No more wobble. Now they move on their own without catching, and they're good to go. This is just a little bit of glue, so you could either super glue it back on there or just press it back on if you're not really all that concerned about what happens to it. But it's just a little bit of sticky glue that was underneath that. Now if you needed to use something like this out in the field, I just used the knife portion here. Again, you're going to go right in between here in the cap and pop it off. Make sure you're going to put your knife back away before you cut yourself. And I used, there's a flathead in here. Actually, I have a Phillips here that would work. I don't have any fingernails. So see, there's a Phillips that would fit. Tighten it up further. Or this little flathead here would even fit. Alright guys, hope that helped.